So this is my canvas, which is a 6 by 6 inch canvas, and for that I am taking a same size of paper sheet and added it with the help of a masking tape. Now we will start drawing. For that, first I am taking a 0.5 centimeter of border, and with the help of a transparent scale and a pencil, I will just make the border on the foreside. This design will be already provided for you, so you don't need to draw it once again, but if you want and add your input, you can definitely go on and design your own Jaipur art drawing. After the center part is divided into 8 parts, now we will add a different kind of design from the center. This design of Jaipur art called Mughal design, where you have a nice looking Mughal type of design in the center part. After the jharoka is done, now we will do the stone work. It's time to add some floral design at the center of the circle. Oops, I think I did some mistake. Don't worry, erasing it's not a crime. It can be done by anyone at any place. So I'm just fixing the design so that it will look more symmetric. Now we will fill the whole jharoka with leaf and the flower design. In the circular part, I want to add some stone. For that, I am making small circles where I will place the stone. I will highly suggest to watch full video so that you don't miss any step, and further you don't have any doubt at any point of time. Don't worry, if you have any doubt, Just let me know in the project section or the comment section. I will be happy to answer you. Now it's time to do the border. Here I will do the pointy petal flower and add 5 flowers in a single side of border. Five flowers are done. It is looking great. Now we will join each of the flower with leaf design. So let's make it. Be slow and very patient while making the design. I hope you will get amazing results after doing this. So now the outer border looks really empty. For that I will do a spiral design and fill the outer border. After this is done, this is time for post-processing in the computer. So let's now do it. With that, our second design is also done. It is looking so pretty I can't explain. For today's lesson, I will do and take the design from the first drawing. See you in the next class. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings, we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code. And after that, click on enroll now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.